The first thing you need to do is go to Module 11 and click the link for Fun Psychology Wiki. This gets us to the wiki page, and now you're going to create a wiki page. By the end of this assignment, you're going to have created 2 wiki pages, one with a concept from the module on knowing stuff, and one from a concept from any of the previous chapters. I wanted to start out easy, so I started out with Module 11 on knowing stuff. And the concept I wanted to look at was family resemblance theory. You edit down here in this content area. Now I have a lot of my stuff saved on a Word document, so I'm going to copy and paste that in. One of the things about family resemblance theory that is really confusing to me is that you can see family resemblance theory in philosophy, in art, and in psychology. So I wanted to find the definition specific to psychology. So I went to the American Psychological Association and found their definition. And I wanted to provide you guys with a link so that you could go there as well. In order to put a link in a content area, you highlight the words that you want to use as your link. And here I have American Psychological Association. And then we go to this little thing that is insert and edit link. Yes, it's true that this window is a little awkward to work with. You actually have to make it larger so that you can find the update link. So now we have that link. Now, family resemblance theory is this idea that there isn't a prototype of something and everything else is an example of that perfect prototype. There's a great example of family resemblance theory where no member of this group contains the prototypical example. And so I found a picture of these guys for you guys to look at. And here are the Greebles. There are these little guys, they're cute. They each have some ears or not, a nose or not, a belly button or not. They're round or straight. They're all clearly part of some similar family, but none of them is the prototype of the family. And so this really helps me understand family resemblance theory. And so my last step is I click submit, and this is my first wiki page entry. For the next wiki page, I'm going to use Module 6, Frameworks of Memory, Amnesia. And for this, I'm going to BabbleNet from our previous module on networks. And I like what it has to say so much, I'm taking a picture and actually put it in my wiki. Using a little insert picture item, browse my computer. We're going to go to Amnesia. And insert. Insert image. Try that one more time. Browse my computer. Amnesia. Open. Categories of amnesia. Categories of amnesia. There we go. And so those are my two different examples. One from knowing stuff and one from frameworks of memory. The next thing I did in here, in the Fun Psychology Wiki, this makes it a full screen if you're editing, like a picture or something. But the next thing I did was I went in and I took a look at the network for anterior grade amnesia. And so this is anterior grade amnesia. And these are the things associated with it: acetylcholine, behavior, lorazepam, anxiety, shell shock, blackouts, I thought this was really useful, so I took a snip of it. And then I went back and I took a look at retrograde amnesia. And these are the ones: loss of memory for events immediately before a trauma. Explore the network. I like to change the view because that view is a little too complicated for me. And we have proceed, encephalitis, CAT scan, thiamine, memory, blood-brain barrier,